Hey guys, my name is Christian Kamarowski. I own Kamarowski's Auto Detailing here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're here with Percy's Honda Civic. What the f called?
That's going in there.
So we're here with Percy's 8th gen Civic Si. We're gonna ceramic coat the wrap today. Benefits of ceramic coating a wrap is it helps premature wear. A lot of wrap companies, they give a warranty on the wrap. Some even say it's got ceramic infused to it, really only lasts about 6 months. So this really helps get you longevity, years out of it instead of just a couple months. Helps with just keeping it clean, helps premature peeling and cracking and things like that. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you guys the process. We got it all washed, ready. I use Dr. Beasley's product. We're gonna start with the film cleanser and we're gonna be using the film coating kit to ceramic coat it. So we got all the wrap decon with the film cleanser, so now we're doing film coating prep. This just gets any little contaminants that are left on the film off and also lays down some anchor points so when you put the actual coating on, it sticks to the surface better. So we got the whole car prepped with the film coating prep. Now we're gonna move on to the actual film coating. Super simple to use. All the products are relatively easy to use. I like to use these coating savers, the microfiber blocks, instead of the suedes, just because they're a pain. Apply several drops to the coating saver, and then just gonna work it back and forth. Repeat that process along the whole car. Let it sit undisturbed for an hour. Florida's humid, coatings like humidity, so it'll fully be cured in 24 hours. And they say don't wash the car for the first 7 days. Initial cure is done on the car. We got it fully coated. With the coatings, they say about an hour to let it sit undisturbed, but for a full cure, about 24, 48 hours. Completely deconned it, coating on there, let it sit. Decon the wheels, put a light dressing on the wheels. If you're still into that shiny stuff, you gotta get with the game. You don't want a lot of shine and slickness to the wheels because that just sprays all over the car. So things that I specialize in here is paint correction, ceramic coatings. Little teaser out there, not a whole lot of people know this yet, but by the end of the year, I'm actually gonna start offering PPF as well, paint protection film. You're in Martin County, St. Lucie County, Palm Beach County, you got a nice car, not like this crust bucket that Percy brought to me. You got something you care about, you want it done right the first time, instead of taking it to Joe Schmo down the street for the $10 car wash, it gets all scratched up, just bring it to me first, I'll get you dialed in. So just give us a call, 772-634-7374. I'm sure my boy Percy is gonna put some links up. Yeah, so this was actually a fun project that we did. This was the first legitimate race car that I've had in here. Had plenty of cars that are capable of being race cars in here, but you know, once you put a wrap on a car, it's a race car.
That's facts.
Yeah, no, so it was good to work on it. Seeing my boy Percy, we've known each other since way back. He's got me out here looking crusty. I knew he was coming, but I forgot he likes the video and everything.
You know I had to do it right, baby.
No, I just got off work. I also work for the fire department.
Woo, that thing's clean.
Hey, I'm ready for some flood water.
That's it. We're in Florida.
It's been a cool experience working on this car, getting him dialed in. So you guys are next. Just let me know.
Bugging creep, running metamorphic, part the current, keep talking weak. All the watchers of the planet burning, self-sustaining, fuck complaining. I see what I need and gain it. Take me to Cruella, I feel better, now my blood behaving. Watch me settle, hit the kettle, sleepy tea and bust a thread. I'm all together, doubles better, so you know I back to back. I'm made to cash to ever back 'em. We stay far away from that shit. Please don't give us satisfaction. You light up with every clip.